Hey guys, it's Matt with Meat Church. Well, today I'm gonna make you guys a cocktail that a buddy of mine that played a little football for the Dallas Cowboys taught me. It's called the Treehouse, and it's delicious. Really simple. We're gonna go 2 parts tequila, 1 part Grand Marnier, and 2 parts grapefruit juice. Of course, I kicked it up a notch. I sliced my grapefruits in half, dipped them in sugar, put them on a hot Traeger for 15 minutes at 500 degrees, and then I squeezed the juice from there. So let's get to work. I don't want to mention him by name, but I promise you, it's a good drink. That's refreshing and delicious. If you like this drink, be sure to subscribe and like our channel. Got more cocktail recipes on our cocktail playlist. See y'all next time.